Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, ABATTOIR. Today we want to learn how to quickly add and subtract fractions without having to look for LCM. So follow as I take you through. We have 1/3 plus 1/7. We want to add these two fractions without having to pass through the process of LCM. So how do I achieve that? I'm going to, if you check the first fraction, we have 1/3, this one 1/7. So what I do is I go this way, I go this way. I'm going to write, there's equality sign already here. So I'm going to have 1 times 7. I put it in the bracket. This sign here is a plus. I put a plus here. Then what do I do next? I go this other way around now. So I say what? I say 1 times 3. I close it all over. Now, what do I do lastly? The denominators, I multiply them. Denominators are 3 and 7. So I say 3 times 7. Alright, so we say is equal to. So we are going to have 1 times 7, you get a 7. You put your plus, this addition sign. Now 1 times 3, you're going to get a 3 all over 3 times 7, you're going to get a 21. So this is equal to, now add the numerator, 7 plus 3 is going to give you what? 10 over 21. So you see, we have added the two fractions without looking for LCM. So thank you very much, but let's look at question number 2. And question number 2 is on subtraction. Subtraction, we have two whole number 1/3 minus 1/7. Alright, so I want us to now subtract this fraction from the other first one. But before you do that, this first fraction contains the first fraction contains a whole number. So we are going to turn that whole number, turn the whole of that fraction, that means fraction to improper fraction first. So how do we do that? We are going to say that denominator times whole number, then we add the numerator. So follow along. So denominator of this fraction here is 3. We're going to say 3 times 2, you're going to get 6. Then 6 plus 1, you get 7. So I'm going to have it as 7/3 minus 1/7. I hope you understood how I got 7/3. Just denominator, which is 3 times 2, you get 6. Then 6 plus the numerator, 7/3. Now let's go. A similar work with the first one we did. So we go now. What do? You go left first. From left to right, this way first. Alright, so if you do that, you're going to have it at 7 times 7. You have it in bracket this way. Then this your subtraction sign, you place it. And then what do you do now? You go this other way around. So remember, we are concentrating on numbers. So you're going to say 3 times you're going to say 3 times 1, or you say 1 times 3. Now everything should be divided by what? By 3 times 7. So if you multiply very correctly, 7 times 7 is going to give you 49. Then minus 3 times 1 is going to give you 3. Then you place it over 3 times 7 is going to give you 21. Now the last part of the question now is what? You are going to say 49 minus 3. That will give you a 46. Give you 46 over what? 46/21. Have you seen it? So when you solve to this level like this, if you can simplify further, you go ahead and do it. If you can't, you leave it like that. So I'm going to give you something now to find out if you have understood how I added two fractions together and how I also subtracted one fraction from another one. So please ensure you do the classwork. I have something for you. So make sure you do it. So this is for you. One question from addition, one question from subtraction. Alright, pause the video and solve the classwork and simplify the classwork. Thank you very much. I am really grateful. God bless you. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. And also say something in the comment section. Thank you very much. Remain blessed.